In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust indents and line spacing in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. Whether you're creating a professional presentation, a school project, or a business proposal, clean formatting makes a huge difference in how polished your slides look. I'll walk you through two simple ways to adjust indents, including the more professional ruler method, and then I'll show you how to quickly change line spacing to improve readability. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important tips. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's look at method 1, which is using the ribbon. This is the quickest and easiest way for most users. Start by selecting the text you want to adjust. You can click and drag your mouse over the text, or press Ctrl and A if you want to select all the text inside a text box. Once your text is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the Home tab, look for the Paragraph group. Here, you'll see two buttons called Increase Indent and Decrease Indent. If you click Increase Indent, your selected paragraph will move slightly to the right. Each time you click it, the indent increases further. If you click Decrease Indent, the text moves back toward the left margin. This method is perfect for quickly adjusting bullet points or creating subpoints in a list. For example, if you're creating a hierarchy of bullet points, simply press Increase Indent to create a sublevel. It's fast, simple, and works great for basic formatting. Now let's move on to method 2, which is using the ruler. This method gives you much more control and is considered the more professional way to manage indents. First, click on the View tab at the top of PowerPoint. In the Show group, check the box that says Ruler. As soon as you enable it, you'll see a ruler appear at the top of your slide. Next, select the text you want to format. On the ruler, you'll notice small markers on the left side. These markers control different types of indents. The top triangle controls the first line indent. This means only the first line of your paragraph will move when you drag it. The bottom triangle controls the hanging indent. A hanging indent keeps the first line in place while moving the remaining lines. This is commonly used in reference lists or detailed bullet formatting. Below the triangles, you'll see a small rectangle. If you drag this rectangle, it moves both triangles together, meaning the entire paragraph shifts while keeping the spacing consistent. Simply click and drag these markers left or right until your text looks exactly how you want it. This method is excellent when you need precise alignment and cleaner formatting. Now let's talk about adjusting line spacing. Proper line spacing makes your slides easier to read and more visually appealing. Start by selecting the text you want to modify. Then go back to the Home tab. In the Paragraph group, click on the Line Spacing button. A drop-down menu will appear with options like 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, and more. Click on your preferred spacing option, and you'll instantly see the change applied to your text. If your slide looks too crowded, try increasing the spacing to 1.5 or 2.0. If you need to fit more content on a slide, you can reduce it to 1.0. Adjusting line spacing is especially useful when working with bullet lists or longer paragraphs. And that's it. You now know two easy ways to adjust indents in PowerPoint 2013 and how to change line spacing for better formatting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.